If brain is not able to empty, then keep on coding. Else, order coffee. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to be starting a new topic of turtle programming, which is going to be variables and data types. So what is a variable? A variable is a characteristic that can be measured and that can be assumed in different values. It can be classified into two main categories, categorical and numerical. Now, what is a data type? A data type in programming is a classification that specifies which type of value a variable has and what type of mathematical relation or logical operation that can be applied to it without causing an error. These are the formulas. Operator is the plus. It's addition. So examples A plus B. Minus, subtraction, and A minus B. The star sign is used for multiplication. The slash sign is used for division. The percentage sign is used for modulus. The two star sign is used for exponentation. And two slashes means floor division. We're now going to move on to the coding part, which is going to be in the next video, where I will be explaining you all the codes. Stay tuned till then.